Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Meta glasses to Instagram. First, install the Meta View app by downloading it from the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Turn on Bluetooth, open the app, and sign in with your Meta account. Next, pair your Meta glasses by opening the charging case, pressing and holding the button on the back until the LED flashes blue, then follow the on-screen pairing instructions in the Meta View app. Once connected, open the app again and tap the gear icon to access settings. Then go Communication and select Instagram. Tap Connect and log into your Instagram account to link it. The integration will use whichever Instagram account is currently active on your phone, allowing your glasses to interact with it. After setup, make sure both apps stay updated to avoid syncing issues and ensure smooth connectivity. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.